Hello and welcome to another moment of deep reflection and inspiration of the Timeless Reality Channel. I am Amuchi Okoro, and today we are diving into a topic that is shaking the very foundation of our homes and our humanity: the crisis of family disunity, healing the bond among siblings and relatives. In this discussion, I would like to break and treat it into 6 different segments, and they go this way. Segment 1, let us talk about the heart of the matter. Let me ask, why is it that people born of the same parents, blood brothers and sisters, are today living like strangers, or worse, like sworn enemies? Why have so many African homes, especially in Nigeria, become battlefields of envy, division, bitterness, and neglect? We see siblings who can go months, even years, without a phone call, without a visit. We see step-brothers and step-sisters who can't see eye to eye, even under the same roof. We see family members who hear about a brother suffering and say, "It's not my business." But let's remember something very sacred. Destiny brought siblings together. We didn't just happen into the same family. We made that choice spiritually before coming into this earth life. There is a spiritual purpose for the people we call our people. Let us look at segment 2. The breakdown and the role of parents and family leaders. Sadly, many of these crises didn't start today. They were cultivated, they were permitted, they were planted, sometimes even by parents and family leaders themselves. Some homes today are divided into political camps. A father openly sides with certain children, while a mother raises her own camp. Likewise, the respected family leaders. Instead of building one family, we've built internal enemies. But remember, a house divided against itself can never stand. Tony Robbins, who once said, I quote him, "Where focus goes, energy flows." End of quote. When families stop focusing on unity, on love, on nurturing each other, the energy flows into hatred, into disconnection, into pride. Parents and family leaders must remember, you are the bridge. If you model love, your children and family members will walk in love. If you sow disunity, your children and family members will reap chaos. Children learn more from what they see than what they hear. The third segment of this discussion I want to consider is the spiritual and social power of unity. Now, let's talk about what many don't know: the spiritual and social benefits of genuine family unity. When siblings stand together in love and mutual respect, the universe responds. Natural laws begin to favor them. Peace dwells in their hearts. Progress comes effortlessly. When a family is united, doors open, grace flows. Let me look at the words of Jim Rohn, who once said, "The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keep joy out." So many families are poor today not because they lack resources, but because they lack unity. Disunity is more destructive than poverty. If siblings pool their energy, pool their ideas, pool their resources together, how many of us will still be suffering? Let us look at segment 4. Consider also what it really means to help your own. Let's get this clear. Helping your brother or sister is not charity. It is responsibility. It's divine wisdom. You are not doing them a favor. You are investing in your own peace. You are empowering your own spiritual flow. You are helping yourself. Because the pain of one family member always finds a way to circle back and touch others. You don't leave your brother drowning in a debt or depression and you say, he's independent. No, independence does not cancel family responsibility. But again, hear me clearly. Responsibility is not blindness. If a sibling is choosing irresponsibility, refusing to change for good, to grow, to work, to contribute, then in true love, you must call them to order. Don't pamper destruction. In true love, there is room for severe compassion, the kind that pulls your brother back from the edge. As Dr. Miles Monroe once said, I quote, "True leadership is not about making people comfortable. It's about making people responsible." Let us go to segment 5, the types of disunity. There are about 5 types of disunity under this our discussion. Let's call them out one after the other. There is silent competition among siblings, gossip and backbiting in family discussion like WhatsApp groups, inheritance war that run brothers into court enemies, neglect of aging parents and blaming it on one another, jealousy when one person seems more successful. All of these are termites to the wood of family. If we don't address them, everything collapses. Let us look at the final segment 6 of this our discussion. That is looking at the way forward. What can we do? How do we heal our homes? I will tell you now as follows. Number 1, forgive and reach out. Don't wait. Pick up the phone today. Number 2, parents, be bridges, not builders of camps. Number 3, create family traditions. Call yourselves often, like once in a week. Plan reunions. Advise individually and collectively when the need arises. Number 4, speak love deliberately. Say things like, "It is well with you, my brother. I'm proud of you, my sister. I'm here for you, my own." We are not families just because we are families. We are families because we are blood. Then number 5, address issues early. Don't let small misunderstandings grow roots. Don't. Number 6, teach children from early on that love and unity are family values. You see, a united family is an unstoppable force. When you truly love your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncles, your aunties, your nephew, your niece, when you look at your blood and say, "We are one," the heavens align with you. That is not religion. That is natural law. Let us build the broken walls of our families. Let us return to the sacred path of unity. Because at the end of the day, it is not wealth or fame or achievement that define a fulfilled life. It is the people who stood with us, cried with us, and loved us through it all. So I ask you, what kind of family do you want to leave behind? This is Amuchi Okoro, and this is Timeless Reality. Let us keep awakening souls. Let us keep speaking truth. Let us keep choosing love. See you in the next episode. Stay inspired, stay united.